Hello. Wednesday, and my wife told me that I need to make dinner. So now I need to go to the shop, and I see some recipe in YouTube, and that is my plan now. Make dinner for the family. Hello, I'm outside of my house, and winter outside, and I will go to the shop. Like my wife challenged me to make dinner today, and I'm not very good making dinners. I'm not good making any food at all. So I just go down now to the shop and buy the ingredients, and then we see how it goes. Hello, so I bought food now, the one that I see in YouTube, and all these ingredients for the dinner. So now I will go home and I will make it. Hello, I'm outside of my house. Here's the cat. Meow meow. Lunat. I say hi Lunat. Say hi Lunat. Hi Lunat. Okay, I'll go inside now and I will make the dinner. So first he said I need to cut up the onion. So the onion is now cut up in the pieces. The carrots. This is the carrots. No, this one. The 2 carrots in pieces. I'm not very good at this. Okay, just cut it like this. Okay, I wash it first, yeah. And then cut it into pieces. Put the paprika on the plate. Here's the garlic. And she says to use three feds. Not FBI, but feds. And this one is feds. Yeah. And take out 3, 1, 2, 3. And then eat it. No, just don't eat it now. Just cook it first. One. Like so. And then this one inside here, like so. Chili, the chili. So I take it out. And I wash it first. I will wash it with water, of course. I'm back now. Here is now it's clean. In the middle like this, all the way down to the edge, and then take it out like this, and then I will remove the seeds. So I need to use this one. It's called ingefær. Ingefær, small spoon. It's easy, she said. Just do like this, and then you will take out the outer layer. I'm going to use this one, and then you cut it out into pieces, and then put it and just scrape it into the box like this. I need to prepare the chicken. So here's the chicken. So now I need to put some oil here. She said I should use mix 2 different oil. So now I just heat up this one, and then put the meat inside. I think I used too much oil. Okay, so the next now is that I open up this coconut milk, is the top layer of it, because she said that the top layer contains a lot of oil, normal. 6, 7. I will start with the onion. The onion. And then she said that she used garlic. So, and now I put this garlic, hvitløk, inside here. The next one is that I put the chili inside. So here is the chili. And then just make it around a bit. This is the meat. This is the chicken. So I will put it into the pan now, here, like so. So 3 minutes, like that. And then put the tomatoes inside afterwards. I need to hurry now because I'm late. So tomatoes inside, and then this is called coriander, and that is good for also it put inside here. I will add the tomatoes. Yeah. So. She said I just take a bunch of this. So this I take a little bit now and cut it a little bit up in the more pieces, like so, and then put it in there, in the food. So put it in here, and then make it go a little bit over here. Now it looks nice and green inside here. It's like a vegetable. It looks nice, show you. So now it's almost finished. You see it's almost getting finished now. I just need to put a little bit on top, like this. And then I just wait until they come home. Now I put on number 2. And now it's ready to eat when they come home. Now it's inside the house. And excited for the result. Yes. Okay, so thank you for watching and wish me good luck for the taste, because I will let my wife taste it first. Okay, bye.
Okay. Det var veldig god.